Hello everyone, my name is Kurniawati Manik. Now I want to describe about animal cells. The first, I want to tell about definition of animal cells. An animal cell is the smallest organelle with a thin membrane inside which is colloidal solution containing chemical compounds. This cell has a number of advantages, one of which is able to replicate itself independently through the process of division. Inside the cell, there are compounds that are important for the division process and also photosynthesis, namely carbohydrates and lipids. It is known that carbohydrates are very useful in the photosynthesis process, while lipids function as food reservoirs such as fats and oil. In addition, there are also proteins that play a role in the metabolic process of the body of animals and plants, as well as nucleic acid which are compound with a fairly important role in the process of protein synthesis. Animal cell function, part and structures. Broadly speaking, animal cell and plant cell are the same, both based on structure of animal cell, types of enzymes, and also the genetic material. In fact, both have different cell types. Well, here are some function and structure of animal cell that we need to know amongst others. The structures of animal cells consist of various components that are the basics from animal life. Here are the characteristics and function of some animal cell components. Number one, nucleus has a function as the center of cell information. The nucleus contains the DNA of the animal cell and solid liquid called nucleolus, which is very important because it functions to form chromosome and genes. Number two, nucleus. Part of the nucleus that resides in the cell nucleus. Nucleoli form protein with RNA, ribonucleic acid. Number three, cell membrane. The outermost part of the cell and function as the protector of the cell, contain and regulates the entry and exit of substance into and out of the cell. Number 4. Endoplasmic reticulum. The structure that functions as transportation of substance in the cell and protein synthesis consists of two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Number 5. Cytoplasma. Part of the cell that contains solid liquid containing chemical compounds, vitamins, and minerals. The cytoplasm serves as a medium for various biologic processes. And number 6, mitochondria, cell organelle that function as the last stage in the cell's energy generation process. Mitochondria have the most important function in the process of making a decision triple-head. And number 7, Golgi body, cell organelles that function as a center for process and packing chemical compound. Golgi bodies function as a link between the cytoplasm and lysosomes. And number 8, lysosomes, cell organelle that function as sources and storage of chemical compounds. Lysosomes have a function as a means of cell defense from unnecessary of harmful substance. Number 8, peroxisomes, cell organelle that function as a place to make chemical compounds. Peroxisome occurs in plant cells, the various unique organelle, but do not occur in animal cells. Number 10, cilia and flagella, organelle that function as hair mover. Cilia and flagella are found in animal cells such as bacterial and protozoa. Number 11. A fluid-filled cell organelle that serve as storage are four chemical compounds. Vacuoles are found in animal cell, but the size of animal cell vacuoles is smaller than plant cell vacuoles. And number 12. Cytosol, part cytosol, part of the cell and contain carbohydrates, fats, and water, and cytosol serve as source of energy and chemical compounds needed by the cell. And number 13, nuclear membrane, part of the cell that serve as separator between the cytoplasm and cell nucleus. The nuclear membrane is not permeable, which means that not all substances can pass through this membrane in either solid or liquid form. Therefore, most nucleus that want to enter it or excite the nuclear liquid and nuclear pore. Animal cells are the smallest unit of living things and different from plant cells, such as not having a cell wall and crop flesh.
Thank you. Until here, my material I can tell for you.